I would like to talk about toxic habits that destroy success. Every human being would like to succeed in whatever you are doing. But then, if you are not very careful, there are certain things which will come in and interfere with that success you desperately need. One of the things which can affect your success is fear. If you are full of fear, it's going to affect your success. It's going to destroy your success. Second is excuses. If you are always giving excuses, I have not been able to do this because of this and that, it's going to destroy your success and you may not achieve what you want to achieve. The third point is lack of purpose. You have to be focused. You have to be determined, deliberate on achieving something. And that's why it's important to write your goals down. Let your goals not be in your mind, but let them be in your paper, so that you are able to translate those goals into reality. If you don't translate the goals into reality, it will just be dreams, and you never see the reality of whatever you want to achieve. The other point is inconsistency. If for you to be a successful person, you have to be consistent every day. Your habits should be consistent. You should not be unpredictable. And that is why you find that for 21 days, you can be able to achieve habits. You can be able to develop habits within 21 days or 3 weeks. And then when it comes to lifestyle, for it to become just a normal part of your life, you have internalized and you have inculcated certain values and ways of life, then you can be able to achieve this one within 90 days or 3 months to achieve lifestyle. Habits you can achieve in 21 days, lifestyle in 90 days. The other point which can be a great danger is procrastination. That is postponing things to tomorrow. Make sure that don't delay things which you have to do today for tomorrow. If you delay, it's going to destroy your success. Another point is lack of confidence. If you don't have confidence, it will be difficult for you to achieve your success. It is going to destroy your success if you don't have confidence. Confidence is going to help you to achieve so much. The other point is indiscipline. Unless you are disciplined and determined to achieve something, then you will not be able to be successful in this life. The other point is dishonesty. Integrity is very important. The way you deal with the people, the way you deal with yourself, as Shakespeare said, to thyself be true. Always make sure you are honest with yourself and with other people. If you are doing a business and you end up becoming dishonest, it's people who will not have confidence and faith with you. And finally, always complaining. If you are some of these perennial complainers, always complaining, pessimistic, this and that, you are not going to meet the challenge. So, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say the points which are pinpointed, these are toxic habits that can destroy your success, but you can work on them so that you'll be able to achieve a lot. I am Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Adios.